What up? What up? I'm underneath my 2007 GMC Yukon Denali XL torque converter bolts. You see that? I took that one out already. Last but not least, that one right there. Come on, baby, focus. Anyway, the shop quoted me about $8,000 to replace the motor. Not only that, but the motor's locked up. So I'm just like, you know what? Let me see if I can replace this myself. Just want to show you this is the last step to get this baby out. This tool right here. I'll put it in the, I'll link it. I'll put the link in the description. This tool right here, you see, you got the ratchet wrench side, and the other side is the stubby side. You see it's on there. Oh shoot, I got a perfect video of it. Oh shoot, hold up. It's on there perfect. I'm trying to get it up so I can show you, but oh, there we go. That's the other side. Hold on, let me zoom out. The whole point of this video though, this thing's like 15 inches, 20 inches. Only bought off Amazon for like 15 bucks. And that's the last torque converter bolt. You see it right there. So just want to show you. Oh, other way. Oh, where's the anyway. It's right there, but yeah, I just want to show you. If you guys are in a predicament, it doesn't even have to be a GMC. Oh yeah, and I got my super long, I'm talking about super duper long Harbor Freight. 15, 12 bucks at Harbor Freight. This thing is super heavy duty. That's how I was able to get this open a little bit. But just want to show you, there's definitely ways to get the job done if you don't want to spend all your money at the shop. So yeah, just want to let you know, like, it's possible. Just don't cry when they tell you, oh, it's going to be an extra amount of money when you haven't even tried to do it yourself. You never know. How you know if you can do it if you don't try?